Ka Department of Tourism and Hotel Management Nehu, harangkat ka jinget reilang, bat ka Skul Kendra Vidyala Nehu, bat ka Yuva Tourism kila Phyllaw ya ka Iaid Rally Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav, Ghar Tiranga, Hapoh ka Phyllaw Jong ka Skul ba Nehu, kumshi benta ban rakhi ya ka jingdap nyaw pusan snem Jong kari India, maka yo ka jinglai loit na ka jing sinshar Jong ki pareng nyaw pusan snem menchwa. Layo ru ya ka jingkren belengkot na Vice Chancellor Jong ka Skul ba Nehu u Professor P. Shukla.
The 75th Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav, Ghar Tiranga, and we know the value of our tricolor not only in our life and also the life of this country. This country is only 75-year-old. With the knowledge, with the education, with the application of brain, today we will in the position to say that the country is moving ahead to take the first position in the world. I think with the help of all the individuals, citizens of the country, when we will celebrating the 100th year of the Independence Day, I think the situation of country will be entirely changed. With this, again would like to shout the slogan of Azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, जय हिंद.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.